Hi, this is Dat, and this is my project proposal. As an admin, I want to log in as an admin so that I can manage the website. As an admin, I want to log out so that I can secure my account. As an admin, I want to manage the faculty's account so that it can be shown on the homepage. As an admin, I want to post announcements so that it will notify to all the subscribed students. As an admin, I want to see all the students sign up so that I can maintain all the accounts. As a student, I want to log in so that I can access my account information. As a student, I want to log out so I can secure my account information. As a student, I want to subscribe to announcements so that I can receive email notification. As a student, I want to check announcements so that I can download any information posted. For public user, as a public user, I want to visit all the public web pages so that I can see the department information. As a public user, I want to sign up so that I can subscribe for email notification. As a public user, I want to use the menu so I can navigate around the web page. As a public user, I want to view the web page on different devices so that I can access the web page on with any screen size. Thank you.